We're trying to do some sketchy stuff here. We've got this wood chipper. We've got this home-built dock, which is only a 4x8. 50% chance that we all go in the river. We're rolling the dice. Hope for the best. We've radioed for help. We've got reinforcements coming to help us.
Welcome to another episode of Bush Platoon. We're out here at a hidden property in Northern Ontario. We have the list of what we hope to accomplish. Finish putting in a deck and stairs from the water. You'll see why. Finish the shower assembly so we get heated water. Trail upgrades. Get the wood chipper to the site, which is fairly difficult considering there's no road access. We'll do some shooting. Build a bonfire. I have it.
You sure? I don't know.
Go, Rory, go. Run to the other end.
Does he have it?
He's got it. Superhuman. Go. Yes. Yes. Woo. Going upriver. 10-minute boat ride, and then we'll be there.
All right, so we just got this dock that we built, and we assembled the 3 dock floats underneath. Just putting in these rings so we can have some tie off or anchor points for tying. And then we're gonna push it in the water and see if it floats.
A lot of risk involved here. We might drop this in the river and lose it forever, and then that'd be unreal. So, see what happens.
This is the old power fist.
This is a Princess Auto Classic, really. The highest end of Chinese engineering. Man, this is not bad at all.
Not bad.
As long as you don't have to lift it, it's not bad.
Yeah.
One man is going to brute force it onto the dock, and the other man is going to stabilize that with his life to prevent this machine from going to the bottom of the deepest river in Northern Ontario. Let's do it. Get her on the deck. Okay, she's okay. Okay, now situated properly. Yeah. Oh yeah, she's lined up beautifully. Okay, you ready? Yeah. All right. Oh boys. All right.
Whoa. Today's episode of Will It Float? We got this home-built dock, which is only a 4x8 and very, very unstable because that's just the way it is. And we're gonna try and make sure nothing crazy happens. 50% chance we all go in the river. We're rolling the dice, hope for the best. The plan is ratchet under the dock, over the machine tight so it holds everything in, and then while we're moving, those aren't gonna shift. All right, so we've radioed for We've radioed for help. We've got reinforcements coming to help us. We decided against trying anything too sketchy. Adam's gonna bring the 2 barrels and we're gonna pontoon them. So we're gonna basically give it wings, pontoon wings.
The other thing too is
I was just thinking,
like, why don't we just take the 2 boats, man, and make this like a water world kind of Kevin Costner thing?
Dude, I didn't even think of that.
Right?
Now,
like we just both kind of go.
Now that, yeah, that'll
one
keep us.
underneath here, one underneath here, and we just kind of just take it along with us.
Yeah, that's it.
Do 2 boats underneath each side, and we just take it slow.
All right, let's do it.
Right? Like tie it up to your seat there. I'll tie it up to my rack here.
It's quicker. If it fails, we lose
No, we won't.
$3,000. Whoa. Good. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Right? Yeah. What we're doing?
Yeah. When we get to the dock, it's going to be interesting how we're going to stop and slow down and direct everything.
Well, that's why. Doing it this way with the 2 boats, I think it's going to be too difficult to steer, especially when you get down there.
Yeah. I
think with the wood, man, because it's already so much more stable with just putting the wings on. If we cut that in half, put weight on both sides, it literally cannot tip. Because we would have to lift this out of the water, like.
Yeah, that log will float.
And the log will float, and the one will be pushing down at the other side.
Yeah. Okay. Well. Yeah.
We don't even. Okay, we'll cut like 4-foot log on each side.
I don't know. Yeah. There you go. Oh, no problem.
All right.
Where are you guys gonna tow it from this side?
I was gonna tow it from here before, but.
Well, I would put at least some weight on the back here then, because that's gonna dig, right? That was the problem with my dock last week. I put all my weight on the front, and then when I towed it, it just wanted to nosedive.
All right, so we got everything attached. It's extremely sketchy, but it's working. I'm just going very, very slow. I don't even know how slow, but very slow.
Hey, Corey, send me that camera.
Nah, man, I'm gonna hang on to it. Dude, this has got everything on it, man. Oh, we're getting sketchy now, boys. You gotta live. Yeah, lean back. There we go. All the neighbors think we're crazy, and they're not wrong.
Smile for the camera.
There's that beautiful
Woo! Man, isn't it Princess Auto Navy right here?
Yeah, Princess Auto Navy.
I don't know why, but it's just the way we do things.
There's a sight for sore eyes.
Look at that. We made it to shore.
Not bad, boys.
Did you know that we didn't buy this from a store and we actually built it ourselves?
I think you could trick some people.
All right, mission success. We got it here at the cabin. All right, so Rory's been working on this project for a long time. It started 3 years ago when he brought this tree from southern Ontario way up here. This is a Norway maple or a red maple? What is it?
No one knows. It's too small to know.
Look at that leaf. What does that look like?
See, maples don't grow anywhere near up here. We're too far north for maples, right?
And we left it on shore the first time we were here. Forgot about it.
It was the first thing we ever brought to site and left here.
So here we are with an up close at the dam. That's the maple tree we brought to plant on the property. Look at this, we can't go any further. Then we came back like the following summer and it was still on the shore and survived the winter.
In a pot.
In a pot. We decided to actually plant it that year. Survived and it looks like it's thriving. This is about 3.5 feet tall right now. And then we'll also use the wood chipper and we're gonna make some mulch and dump it on top. This will keep the beavers from chewing through here if they do. Final product of Rory's tree and his fence or gate to protect it. And we brought it from the southern Ontario, and it seems to have survived 3 years up in this crazy weather, which is interesting. Rory doesn't want any beavers getting in here, even though I think a beaver will easily slide into there. Let's just hope it works either way. So I don't know about you, but out here we're eating like kings. Thanks to Mrs. Elizabeth.
Not bad, eh?
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
All these logs that we cut, we're gonna be cutting them in half. Then we're gonna be running them across this path and building basically almost like a boardwalk, but out of logs. So a log walk, I guess.
finished the trail here, and now we're going to put some wood chips down that we cut earlier.
And the plan is to make it look like this. That was the old one we did, so proof of concept right there. So we're just continuing it.
Fluffy, man, nice job.
Half of it. Yeah, that's good.
Yep. Yeah, obviously, so as you walk in, it'll go in there, that'll be nice.
We're gonna have to chip a lot more wood though.
That's exactly what we want here, man.
Oh,
This is gonna be ridiculous. This is gonna be the nicest path anyone's ever seen.
so much better.
It's gonna be like a luxury resort.
And that's what we're talking about right there, gentlemen and ladies. Look how nice this is to walk on.
Toss.
Oh! Wow, look at it roar. I can feel the heat from here, man.
Yeah, I know.
That's incredible.